Manipur Miyamgi Iho Mamee, under its Manipur First initiative, organized a youth political convention at Thobal Mela ground on Sunday and adopted 5 resolutions with the objective to shape future of the state. The convention was moderated by senior advocate and former chairperson of Manipur State Human Rights Commission, Khaide Mani. Among those who attended as special guests and resource persons were social activists Ashan Kasar, Amokok President S.M. Jalal, Zaliarong United Committee Manipur President Maibon Fawmei, Manipur University guest faculty Dr. Sanasam Subhamenan, retired district and sessions judge Aribam Nauteneshwari, senior journalist Iringbam Arun, Imagi Meira President T.H. Sujata and Thobal Apun Balup Tal President Rameshwar Waika. The convention resolved that the youth must play a leading role in establishing stable political system in Manipur, while Mamee pledged to continue its efforts towards that goal. It also resolved to work for a peaceful and conflict-free society and to pursue greater autonomy for Manipur within the framework of the Constitution of India. The convention further resolved to initiate efforts for establishment of a martyrs' park in memory of those who sacrificed their lives and those who remain missing in the violence that erupted in Manipur on May 3, 2023. Speaking on the occasion, Mamee member Dolaithambam Muhammad Ali described the Youth Political Convention as the first step towards building a regional political movement led by the youth. He stated that such a movement is intended to address and resolve the political and social challenges confronting society and to strengthen unity among the diverse communities of Manipur. He called upon people, especially the youth, to actively support and participate in Mamee's ongoing initiatives for a united, peaceful and progressive Manipur, emphasizing that the state's shared history and collective identity must prevail over divisions and conflicts.
Manipur first, preservations and protections of our cultural and political heritage. Fight against corruption. Corruption is building a self-reliant economy. Self-reliant employment generations for youth. Manipur population is young. Manipur is unemployment machine young.